Hello everyone, welcome to the ECX. We are here at the booth of AAF, and we have joined with Mr. Sailesh Nigam, CEO India and Middle East. So let's hear his views. So sir, what is your view about the ECX?
Acrex, I would say it's a Mahakumbh. Today, when we are having Mahakumbh in India, it is a Mahakumbh of air conditioning fraternity. It is a very big networking platform for the vendors, the users, the consultants, industry experts. So, very huge business opportunities are available during this Acrex. So we are also having the similar expectation that when we are here, we would be networking, we'll having a lot of business opportunities.
And what is your vision about the filter market in India?
If you ask me personally, I look at filtration market very huge potential because I say wherever you have air in the enclosed atmosphere, be it your home, your office, your factory, your school, library, auditorium hall, wherever you have enclosed air, you have filters. You need filters. And it is important to maintain the indoor air quality. So the market is huge, the potential is huge.
And what are the new filters and new technologies are you displayed over here?
Actually, to answer your question, I would like to brief about American Air Filters. We are more than 100 years old company, part of Daikin Group, which is $30 billion company, leaders in HVAC segment. We are the pioneers in filter manufacturing and filter technology. But surprisingly, you will see on our stall we have not displayed any filters. Rather, we have displayed the solutions which are having various kinds of filters inside it. So, the reason for this is that the filtration market is not very much regulated. So, 70% market is governed by the non-organized sector. So, no specifications, no quality, anybody is making anything. And that is the reason we have not displayed filters, because filters many people are displaying. Rather, we are displaying the solution to let people know that we have solution for every requirement, be it any segment of industry or be it any application of any industry.
It's a great sir. As you mentioned, solutions you are providing here. So what kind of specific solutions are you offering here?
With our filters, we have solutions for any industry, be it pharmaceutical, hospitality, healthcare, industrial segment, oil and gas, power and industrial, food and beverages, paper and pulp, you name any industry, we have filters or we have the solutions to that requirement. We are able to meet any kind of, air filtration requirement industry has.
That's a great sir. And what innovation has AAF introduced in a clean air technologies?
There is a filter type HEPA, which is high efficiency particulate air. Normally, this is used in critical applications in pharmaceuticals, in uh, operation theaters, in healthcare centers, in microelectronics where they manufacture the chips, or in solar power batteries manufacturing, or now EV manufacturing also is going to start very soon in India. Everywhere these HEPA filters are required. Conventionally, the market used fiberglass media for HEPA filters, which is very delicate and gets damaged very fast. We have come out with very innovative product. It is EPTFE. It is a membrane media which offers low pressure drop, which leads to lower energy consumption. Then it offers longevity because the tensile strength of this product is almost 85 times more than the fiberglass. Plus the dust holding capacity is higher than the normal. So this is one of the innovation in the filter itself. But if you talk of innovative products, we keep on coming up new products every time. COVID was the time. Within 3 or 4 weeks of COVID, we came out with the product which could contain the virus, which could contain and kill the virus. So trap and kill technology. So we are continuously innovating because that's how we are keeping ourselves ahead of the market and keep aside of the competition.
It's a big number, sir. And what measures are needed to improve the air quality in home and workplaces?
The measures I would say, in fact, from your platform, I would like to convey to the masses who are going to view this video. The most important measure is that people should understand the importance of air they are breathing. See, people are very careful when they are eating something or drinking something. We look at the brand of the product, we look at the packaging, we look at the expiry date, we even go to the extent of looking at the content, that how much cholesterol it has, how much sugar it has. So we are so careful when we are eating or drinking something, and we are eating how much? Maybe 2.5 kg during the day, 3 4 liters, whether it is water, tea, coffee, alcohol, juice, whatever we are eating or drinking. So, but we don't even bother about the air which we are continuously breathing since the time we have taken the birth until we are alive. We'll be breathing, and we breathe 2,200 gallons per day. Now, 2,200 gallon, if you put it in perspective, it is good enough to fill a full size of swimming pool. That much air we are breathing continuously, and that air oxygenates our blood, and people don't understand. So you are asking me what measures people should take? People should get aware of the air which they are breathing. If you see the screen here, the red circle is giving the air quality index of indoor air, which is so poor. Outdoor air is far better, which is less than one third of indoor air. And this is what we are trying to display here also, that indoor air is far poorer or worse quality than outdoor air. And that is why we need to have right kind of filtration solution for indoor air.
That's a huge knowledge, sir. And what can we do to improve the indoor air quality with filtrations?
This is what the filter is not visible, be it your air conditioner or your duct, anywhere filter goes inside, it is invisible, and the clean air which comes out is also invisible. Here also we are seeing air looks clean because we see pollution when we are able to see the smoke and dust, which is the worst case scenario. Here also we are sitting and you can see that air quality is so poor and we are continuously breathing this. So for improving the indoor air quality, the first step is to ensure that we take the right type of filter and then maintain the quality of the filter by continuously, spreading it, continuously maintaining, cleaning it, not washing the filter, but maintaining the indoor air quality by replacing the filter. Filters cannot be washed. It's only in India we wash the filters to save the cost. But we don't look at the far reaching effect. We don't change the filters, but the impact comes on our health. I always tell people that filter is not to protect the dust, but to protect your lungs, to protect your health.
Thank you so much, sir, talking to us. And one last question: like, how do you believe it will impact your business?
Impact to business will be there when we are looking for regulation from the government of India, pollution control board, regulatory authorities should come up with the regulations making it mandatory to use right kind of filters, the way they came up with star labeling for electrical products. So you cannot use if the product is not having minimum 3-star label. Same thing, they should ensure that filter should have certain quality, then only it should be used, it should be you know recycled, it should be replaced on time. When it happens, then the business will also improve, because this unorganized sector is creating more nuisance in the market by supplying low quality, low price products which are not good for the human being. It is a threat to human health. So when these things are regulated, definitely it will impact the business in a positive way. This unorganized sector player also will have to improve the quality of the filter once the regulations are there, and it will be good for the society also, for every human being also.
Thank you so much, sir.